Good morning, champions. I cannot believe that there are only 4 more days of kindergarten. You guys have come so far. Yesterday was 5 days left. Today is 4 days left. Tomorrow, you'll only have 3 days left of kindergarten. Today, I want to talk to you guys about nouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. We're going to learn more about nouns in this story, If You Were a Noun. The author is Michael Dahl. He's the one who wrote all the words. And the illustrator is Sarah Gray. She's the one who drew all of the illustrations, all of the pictures. If you were a noun. Looking for nouns? Watch for the big colorful words in the example sentence. If you were a noun, you would be a star and a cloud, an astronaut, or the moon. Let's blast off into the world of nouns. A star is a thing, a cloud is a thing, an astronaut is a person, and the moon is a thing. They're all nouns. If you were a noun, you would be easy to spot. You would be a person, a place, or a thing. You could be an astronaut preparing to fly into space in a spaceship. A spaceship is a thing too. If you were a noun, you could be proper. A proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. The first letter of a proper noun is always uppercase. The rocket flies out of Cape Canaveral in Florida. Names are proper nouns, so they are always capitalized. The first astronaut to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong. Do you ever wonder why I always say you only uppercase the very first letter in your name and then all the other letters need to be lowercase? It's because your name is a proper noun. That's why you make your first letter uppercase and then the rest are smaller. So if you look at his name is Neil. So the N is uppercase and then all the rest are small. If you were a noun, you could be a single thing. A noun that is one thing is a singular noun. You could be one alien with one eye and one tentacle. If you were a noun, you could be more than one thing. A noun that is more than one thing is a plural noun. Some nouns change from singular to plural by adding an S to the end. You could be many aliens with many eyes and many tentacles. If you were a noun, you might change your shape. Some singular nouns have to change their shape when they become plural nouns. Galaxy becomes galaxies. Mouse becomes mice. Woman becomes women. So they don't just add an S on those ones. They kind of have to change the word a little bit. If you were a noun, you might look the same whether you were singular or plural. 1 fish, 2 fish, 7 fish. How many fish do you see? So no matter how many fish there are, we always just say fish. We don't say fishes. If you were a noun, you might have more than one way to describe yourself. Some things have more than one plural noun to describe them. Clouds of space, gas and dust. Clouds of space, gas and dust are nebulous or nebulae. Small, cool stars are red dwarfs or red dwarfs. If you were a noun, you could be a group or a collection of things. You could be a collective noun. You could be a crew of astronauts, constellation of stars, a swarm of meteors, or a colony of space pioneers. You could grow, expand, and never stop. You could become an infinity of universes if you were a noun. And then there's a game at the end, but I can't play a game all by myself. Boys and girls, the end. Those are some nouns. A noun, again, is a person, a place, or a thing. Nouns can be singular, just one teacher, or they can be plural, a whole bunch of teachers. They can be proper, Miss Felici, or they could just be a regular noun and just say a teacher. Boys and girls, I hope you have a fantastic fourth to last day of school. I love you and I miss you so much.